walk through fire, I face the dark, searching for truth, I miss the spark. But through the silence, I've come to find the greatest power lives in my mind. Shadows of strength guiding my way, learning to heal, come what may. Through the depths I rise again, finding peace where fear has been. Every secret, every scar leads me closer to who we are. I've learned to break, to bend, to grow. Through what I've lost, my light will show. No more battles, no more chains. Through surrender, wisdom remains. What I release returns as grace. I find my courage in this space. Shadows